Hello friends, so if you've already watched a few of my videos, you probably know that half of the time I just don't know what I'm doing. And on the last video I actually made a pretty bad mistake, and I wanted to get this video out as quickly as possible. Yeah, I'll just we'll look at that first and we'll talk a little more later. Okay, so if all you want to do is remove the spindle from the head, don't loosen this nut. It stays there unless you only take it out if you want to, rebuild your spindle. But otherwise, don't touch this nut. It's a preload nut, and it has a very specific torque. You might damage your spindle just like I might have. So don't touch this. This stays on as well. You don't remove this part. All you have to do is, I would start by loosening the screw that tightens this is a collet, and it tightens the collet on the spindle itself. So I would start by just loosening this screw, and if you must, you can, I guess, remove all of these bolts. But yeah, start by just loosening this, and the whole spindle should move downwards. And if you have to hit on the spindle, maybe hit on this surface instead of this one, because this is you would put strain on your bearings if you don't need to. So yeah, just don't do like I did. Okay, so I guess it's time to have a little talk about this series. As I said earlier, half of the time I don't really know what I'm doing, and the last video is one good example of that. I made a pretty bad mistake, and I'm going to learn from it. And this CNC rebuild is really, for me, it's a fun project. And it's an opportunity to learn, and I'm going to learn from this mistake. I'm sure hopefully we'll be able to salvage it, and we'll learn how to put this preload nut back with the right torque. We probably have to build a tool so that we can check the torque. So it might be fun. It's pretty, it's down the way. There's still many things to do before we get there, so we have time to find a solution. And when I say we, this is another reason why I'm doing these videos, is for you guys to tag along and let me know when I'm off track, and share. So that we can all learn from this project. I'm sure we'll have a lot of fun. It's going to be a very slow process, and I want to do, try all sorts of things and make some pretty big changes on this machine, so that it's more adapted to what I want. And anyway, so yeah, if you have any knowledge about how to fix this, I'm very, very interested. Alright, so as I said again, don't do like I did, and you'll be fine. Okay. Thank you. Bye.